We all know that we need to drink enough water across the day to help to keep your body really healthy. Two of my favourite things to think about of why this is important. Number one, it helps to keep your brain healthy and it helps you to focus on the work that you need to do through a workday. The other one is it helps to keep your gut healthy by moving the food that you've eaten through your digestive tract nice and easily so that you feel more comfortable across the course of the day as well. How much water do you need to be drinking? Ideally, we need to aim for about 35 to 45 mils per kilo of body weight across the course of the day. Now, for most people, that's going to end up being around 2 to 3 litres of fluid, and sometimes that might not always be water, but I really like to encourage my clients to aim for at least 2 litres of water, and then that extra amount of fluid might be something else. Of course, this does depend a little bit on your individual requirements as well, particularly if you're somebody who exercises quite a lot across the course of the week. Now, how can we make sure we are drinking enough? So one of the things which I know a lot of people really struggle with is we know we need to drink, but how can we fit it all in? So my suggestion, start early on in the day. If you can have that cup of water with your breakfast and then aim to add a cup in every time that you eat, so at any snacks, at any main meals, that can be a really helpful way to make that extra intake of water really easy for you. Another suggestion that I really like is using calendar reminders, keeping a bottle of water on your desk or taking a water bottle with you if you're not in an office environment. So having it really accessible, really easy in front of you, and it might sound a little bit silly, but drinking from something that you enjoy drinking from. So whether it's a glass, whether it's a water bottle, something that actually feels nice to drink from, because that will encourage you to have a little bit more as well. Now, if you're not somebody who really likes the taste of water or how it feels in your mouth, it's totally okay to have water that has bubbles in it. Maybe it's slicing up some fruit, some lemons, limes, oranges, chucking some berries in there, maybe some cucumber. You can flavour water with some of these things as well in a really nice, easy way, and you will also get some extra nutrients from those too. Hopefully those tips have been helpful, and hopefully this will help you to drink water on a daily basis as easily as possible.